Action Jackson. I am a globally recognized women's health and personal development expert. I am a United States Air Force veteran. I am a 10-time author, and I am a dynamic speaker that travels the world speaking on social issues for women and girls. In addition to that, I am the CEO of Empowered Coaching Academy. Notice that I said the letter N, right? Ask me why it's empowerment. Y'all gonna have to talk with family now. We done got the pleasantries out. I named my coaching academy Empowered Coaching Academy because at the age of 29 years old, I almost lost my life in a domestic violence attack. Despite being one of the top athletes in my sport, despite being very successful according to the world standard, there was something within me that was broken. I can remember being in 4-page spreads, Oxygen magazine, Muscle and Fitness, Hers, Strong Development, like every fitness magazine in the world. It was never enough. I get a 4-page spread in Oxygen, and the only thing I could see was, why did they use that picture? I mean, how many people land in a 4-page magazine in Australia? I made the cover of Writer's Life magazine. It was never enough. I was chasing status. I was chasing, hoping that the next medal I won, or the next magazine I was in, or the next degree I earned would make me feel good about myself. And what I had to do when I almost died at 29 years old, I had to separate my who from my what. And what I realized is that I was a broken teenage girl who never was taught how to love herself from within. How many of you have experienced brokenness so deep that you can't articulate it? Let's raise our hands. We're going to get real today. I'm not here to motivate. I tell people before they come to my workshops in my academy, bring your shovel because I'm a digger. Because see, when we don't get to the root of our issues, what do you think happens? Talk to me. Come on. You repeat yourself. It piles up. 8 months after I left my ex-husband,